All right, y'all, this is one of my most favorite days. It's when I get to unbox our scents, our oils. I got all of these from MapleStreet. Y'all, I started making candles about 6 years ago, and I started joining all of the candle groups, all of the sugar scrub groups, all of the body product groups. And a lot of people talked about MapleStreet. They talked about them because they had a flat rate shipping, and it was $8 when I started 6 years ago, and it's only $9 now. So it's only gone up $1. Their oils might have changed in price since then, but it's still a pretty good deal when you talk about shipping and depending on how far you are from a supplier. I was not making candles when I was in Atlanta, so I didn't get a chance to do flaming candle, which I'm very sad about. I started making candles in New Mexico. There are no suppliers in New Mexico. The nearest place is Vegas. Long story short, I still use MapleStreet, and I still use them a lot because I love their scents. And they're like my babies. Whenever I get to unbox new scents, I just love them. But anyways, I've been making a lot of dessert candles lately, so I thought you guys might be interested in seeing what these smells were. So I'm gonna start with the milk and cookies. I do have an idea to make some milk and cookie candles. I used to make one, but I have been having a hard time getting the jar, so I have to rework that candle. But let's see. And this smells exactly like chocolate milk. Chocolate chip cookies and milk. So this is pretty dead on, y'all. Yeah, I will be using this one. I think I don't even know where I got my last milk and cookies one. All right, so we will be keeping the milk and cookies from MapleStreet. Let's see, the next one is Lee's Ice Cream Parlor. I did already do this one because I made a video on this one. But let's see. I don't really know what it smells like, but I don't know that it smells like a particular, maybe it just smells like when you walk into an ice cream store, maybe like Baskin Robbins. Can't remember the last ice cream store I walked in. It smells good, but it doesn't particularly smell like an ice cream. Like a particular ice cream is what I'm trying to say. I don't even know if it smells like ice cream. It just smells sweet and sugary and vanilla-y, if that's a word. I don't know. I'm on the fence. All right, so this is the crowd favorite, Fruit Loops. I normally get my Fruit Loops from Flaming, but my son talks about it. My oldest son says that when I burn it, it doesn't smell like Fruit Loops after I burn it. So I bought this one from MapleStreet, and it is a spot-on Fruit Loops. A spot-on Fruit Loops. But I feel that way about Flamin' too. So we'll see if this one sticks around after I burn it. If it still smells like Fruit Loops, but yeah, it smells like Fruit Loops. Let's see. Rice Krispie treats. Now I'm concerned because of the color. It looks blue or something or another, and I don't know what it's going to do to my candles. And I did have an idea to make a soap, like little soaps out of it, but I still have to make the molds, and you know how that goes. It's a lot of work to make Rice Krispie. I gotta buy the Rice Krispie treats. I gotta threaten my kids to not eat the Rice Krispie treats. So it's a lot that goes into actually making a mold and a soap and a product and all of that stuff. Anyways, let's smell this blue Rice Krispies and see what we think. Y'all, let me try to stick my whole nose in the product. I'm feeling like I'm gonna have to add some marshmallow scent to this. I don't know that it's giving me all the marshmallow the way. I mean, it smells like sugar, but I need more of a marshmallow feel to this. Y'all, I don't know if I'm sold on the Rice Krispie treats. I haven't bought a Rice Krispie treat anywhere else. I guess I would have just like mixed like a vanilla with a marshmallow with, I have no other idea what other scent I would do, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I don't eat enough Rice Krispie treats. But I figure you had enough as a kid, then you would know what it smells like. Oatmeal raisin cookies. I did want to make some oatmeal cream pies, and let's see what this smells like. Ooh, this one smells good. Ooh, maybe just a little bit more cinnamon I would add. But I don't know, I like this one. I think this one is a little, I like it. Y'all, I think I like this one. It's real cinnamon. It's not as cinnamon as I would like it, but definitely gives me the look that I'm going for, the smell that I'm going for. Let's see. All right, iced cinnamon rolls. I'm trying to figure, no, the last iced cinnamon roll I got was from Candle Science. So let me see what this one smells like. Oh, and I got these when, like, during the summer when everything was a nice percent. It might have been like 20%. I can't remember. So I got a whole bunch of stuff. And I really need to stop ordering fragrances because I haven't used all the fragrances that I already have. And if you are new to candle making, if you are old to candle making, stop buying fragrances. This is your PSA to use every single fragrance that you already have because it doesn't make sense to keep buying. Long story short, use all the fragrances that you already have because this game gets pricey and it makes no sense for you to have all these fragrances. Now I gotta figure out, gotta make some soap, some more lotion, some this, some that, you know. People are not buying as much stuff right now. So it's like, what am I doing with all these oils? I can make incense. I'm just going to find new products just to create so I can use all these oils. Makes no sense. Do not waste your money. Do not continue to buy stuff that you do not need. Sorry, I had to do that little lecture. But anyways, iced cinnamon rolls. What does this smell like? It smells like an iced cinnamon roll. Like really a whole, like if you ever go to Sam's Club and get those little mini rolls, you know what I'm talking about. Like it smells like it's warm from the bakery. Like this is a spot on scent. Yeah, this one's a keeper. I don't remember what Candle Science smells like. I haven't bought from them in a while. Their shipping is very high for my taste. Anyways, this is strawberry cheesecake, and let's see what this one smells like. Yeah, y'all, I don't think this one is cheesecaking enough for me. I feel like I need some more cheese to my cake. You know, it's got the strawberry. I don't have the cheesecake that I'm looking for. I have a vanilla butter crunch that I got from Flamin'. So yeah, that might be the better bet for this. But anyways, y'all, thank you for watching. If you guys have a new scent that you guys like or want me to try, just leave it in the comment below. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, please comment. Please subscribe. Want to check out any of my products? You can check them out at theninatreatment.com. Thanks, gang. See you later.